Good day, everyone. My name is Prince Benedict Bascos, and today I will be sharing my thoughts on compassion. How we express compassion in caring for the environment and others, and how criminal discernment help us create a more compassionate university and world. Compassion is something that we often hear about, but something we do not really pause to think about what it means or how we can live it out in our daily lives. What is compassion? For me, compassion is ability to deeply feel and suffering, pain, or needs of another person or even of the world itself, and just feel it but move by and take action. Compassion is not pity. Pity keeps us a distance. We feel sorry for others, but we do nothing. Compassion is different. When we are compassionate, we feel connected with others. We recognize our share humanity. We see that we are all part of the same world. Compassion means we do not judge others for each struggle. We listen, we try to understand their experience, even if they different from us, and when we can help us do. Compassion also applies our environment. We must feel the earth, animals, plants, ocean, and act ways to protect nature life. How compassion is expressed in care of others. One way we show compassion is caring for other people. This can be simply as listening to a friend who is going through a hard time, or helping a stranger who needs assistance, or stand up for someone who is being treated unfairly. It also means being patient with others. Sometimes people are going through struggles that we cannot see. Compassion teaches us to be more understanding and gentle. In our community here at PU, we can show compassion by creating an environment where everyone feels welcome and valued. We can reach out to the student colleges who are struggling. We can advocate for the needs of others, especially those who have no voice. In care of environment, compassion is also shown in how we threaten environment. When we see damage that pollution causes, when we understand how climate change affects vulnerability communicate communities, we we just by move act when the through small everyday choices, using plastic, conserving water, electricity, and using eco-friendly transportation, or two bigger efforts joining environmental groups, participating in lead up drives, planting trees, or supporting policies that protect nature. We will care the environment. We are also care for nature. Generation that is compassion in action. Another important part of building a compassionate community in communal discernment. This, mean, this means coming together as a group, as a class, a department, an organization, or as a university to reflect what is right, what is just, and what is compassion. Communal discernment involves deep listening. We listen to the voice of others, especially those who are often ignored. We ask, what do vulnerable among us need? How we can respond together. Here at PU, communal discernment can help us create better policies, more exclusive programs, and stronger sense of community. In the larger world, communal discernment can help us face global challenges with compassion, whether it's poverty, inequality, or climate change. To end, compassion is not just a feeling, just a choice, a way of living. When we act with compassion for people and for environment, we help create a world that is more kind and more hopeful. Through communal discernment, we can work together to make PU and the world more compassionate place. Thank you for listening.